Hi there, welcome to Code Curious. Today we're going to write your very first line of code. Don't worry, it's like saying hi to a new friend, only this friend happens to be your computer. And we're going to use a programming language called Python. Now, Python is one of the most popular programming language because it's simple and friendly. And to write our code, we need a place to type it. So let's use Replit.com, a free and easy to use website for coding. First, let's log in. I usually log in via Google account. After logging in, choose a template and choose Python as your programming language. Click Create. Now that we're all set up, let's get coding. We're going to write a simple line of code to tell computer to say, "Hello world." Here's what we type. This line of code is called a print statement. And no, it's not about printing paper. Now for the fun part, hit the run button and let's see what happens. Ta-da! Our computer just said hello back to us. So in Python, print means show on the screen. Inside the parentheses, we're telling the computer what to show, and that's hello world. The word print is a command. It tells the computer what to do. The parentheses are like containers for the message we want to show, and the quotation marks keep the message safe inside. That's why the computer knows to show hello world on the screen. Let's change the message. What if we made it say this instead? Now go ahead and change the text inside the codes, hit run, and watch your computer talk back again. Python can do so much more than just saying hello. You can use it to make like simple games, solve puzzles, or even tell jokes. And it's great for beginners because it's easy to read and fun to play with. And that's it. You just wrote your very first line of code and learned a bit about how Python works. Coding is all about learning step by step, like solving a fun puzzle. We'll keep building from here, learning new skills one line of code at a time. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join us for more fun coding adventures. See you next time!